Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In front of me Pixel 10 Pro, and now I can show you how to use Pixel Journal on Pixel 10 Pro device. Basically, you can find Pixel Journal application in your main menu, in your app drawer. Just find here Journal, but as you can see in my case, this application for some reason is not pre-installed, so you can download and install Google Journal application from the Play Store. This is the same application as Pixel Journal in Pixel Experience app. So here you can find here this application. You can set your goals of how you want to use this application and click next, connect your photo library, allow all, even the exercise information, allow some photos or allow all photos if you want. You can use this application with no password or with the same password as on screen lock only. You can't set up custom password, and cool, that's it. So here now you can use this application. You can add activities, but I have no activities. This is a brand new device right now. Here you can just enter the title of this note, what you have on the mind. I'm cool. Okay, you can change the font, you can change the font color and click apply. Here we can delete or save this journal. And cool, here you will have insights, but you'll have it a bit later, and here you will see all your entire entries. That's it. Hope this video was helpful for you. See you. Bye.